Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today something I'm especially excited for. यार recently हमने Instagram पे poll किया था कि saving और investment पे किनको videos चाहिए, and I think we got a very good response. So today we have with us Saket, and Saket is currently working as a software engineer in an MNC, and I think it's been 2 years, Saket, ki you're investing in markets and all. So Saket, can you just give us a brief about yourself?
Hi everyone. Hi Aman. Hi everyone watching this video. So yeah, I started investing at the end of second year. After I did not get any internships offered by a few companies that came to our college.
Right.
So I had a lot of time. I thought of learning something. So being a Marwadi, I thought, why not investments? Who doesn't like his money to grow, right?
Right.
So yeah, I started investing like that, and yeah, it's been a good journey till now.
And let me just tell you guys, Saket is someone जिसको पैसे से पैसा कमाने आता है. So this video is gonna be really interesting. So make sure you guys watch the video till the very end. Let's jump directly to to today's discussion. So why is saving and investment important, Saket, according to you?
Saving and investment is important, right? So, देखो, Aman, you have to save at some point of the other, right?
Right.
और होता क्या, times are very uncertain, कभी भी कुछ भी change हो जाता है. So
Right.
depending on one source of income is not a very good option according to me.
Right.
और जैसा कि everybody knows, right? COVID-19 has made things even more unpredictable,
Right.
right? So अगर multiple sources of income नहीं रहेगी तो आप फंस सकते हो. You cannot depend on one source.
Right.
And moreover, I am more worried about the inflation. जो
Mhm.
चीज आप 1970s में 1 रुपए में खरीदते थे,
Mhm.
आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते वही सेम चीज आपको 1 रुपए में अभी भी मिलेगी.
Correct.
इट्स वेरी रेयर, आई थिंक.
Right.
सो पैसे का वैल्यू कम हो रहा है, सो वी
Mhm.
नीड टू कीप ग्रोइंग आवर मनी. तो
Mhm.
इसलिए सेव करना तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही, बट
Mhm.
यू हैव टू एम्पलीफाई एंड इंक्रीज दैट सेविंग. सो
Right.
उसके लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कम इनटू द पिक्चर.
Correct. Also, Saket, like बहुत सारे जन पूछते हैं कि when is the right time, to start investing. So, like, what would you suggest?
Like, yeah, I would like to say, like, the earlier you start, it's good, right? So I'll give you a very small example, okay?
Mhm.
So right, you save some money in bank, right? They're going to give
Mhm.
you some interest on that, right?
Correct.
And whatever money you earn in interest, that gets added to your bank account, and next
Mhm.
year when you again get it,
Mhm.
that money of yours as well as the interest, they both are
Mhm.
going to give you more interest. So this is compound
Correct.
interest,
Right.
right? So I'll
Mhm.
give you a very small example on this.
Mhm.
So the earlier you start, you better, that's better, right? So
Mhm.
for example, you start saving 10,000 rupees a month
Mhm.
and start investing at 10% interest
Mhm.
for 30 or 40 years. Now
Mhm.
if you're 20, you keep
Mhm.
doing that till you're 60, right?
Mhm.
So you will get some sum along with the interest that is charged. Now
Mhm.
you do the exact same thing, but you start 10 years late. And instead of
Right.
10,000, you deposit double the amount. That
Mhm.
is 20,000.
Mhm.
Same interest pay.
Mhm.
So uh, it's a normal convention ki jitna zyada paisa de rahe, the more money you'll make, right?
Mhm.
But it doesn't happen so with compound interest. So
Mhm.
ऐसा है कि if you invest 20,000 from 30 years to 60 years,
Mhm.
okay, a period of 30 years, you're putting in more principal amount,
Mhm.
but आपका total जो बनेगा along with your principal will be somewhere around 4 crores 41 lakhs.
Right.
But अगर वही आप half the amount invest करते हो for a period of 40
Mhm.
years from
Mhm.
20 to your 60 at the
Mhm.
same rate of interest,
Mhm.
not only will you be spending less money, but
Mhm.
you'll be making more. कि 10,000 का जो total होता है, that is 51 5 lakh 5 crore 51 lakhs.
Mhm.
So you see how compound interest is working, right? The
Right.
longer you keep it, the better results you get, right? So the
Right.
earlier you start, the better. I think that's all. That explains it all, right?
Right. You mentioned 10% interest, but I hardly see any bank, जो 10% interest देता है. So what's your take on that?
You're correct, Aman, right? So let's take for example engineering students itself, right? मैं भी एक engineering student था, तो
Mhm.
आसानी से पापा जितनी pocket money दे देते, I used to save somewhere around 500 to 1,000 rupees.
Right.
So for the first 2 years, I did not do anything with that money. And
Mhm.
I'll tell you this very honestly, on an average, right, the
Mhm.
banks would give you somewhere around 4% to 6% as interest.
Right.
Okay, 6% भी बहुत rarely मिलता है,
Mhm.
correct? तो उससे आप क्या करोगे?
Mhm.
मैंने उसको FD में भी नहीं डाला, फिक्स डिपॉजिट में भी नहीं डाला. So I was
Mhm.
not really making money on my money,
Right.
right? I was just trying to save to
Mhm.
use it later.
Mhm.
So yeah, coming back to your question, 10% कहाँ से मिलेगा? See, directly you cannot earn 10%.
Right.
ठीक है? So you have to find out schemes which are actually giving you more returns. तो बहुत सारे schemes है. Like for सबसे simple और सबसे safest मैं बताता हूँ. You being an engineering student, you don't know about stock markets, you don't know anything about equities, you don't know about anything about bonds, right? तो होता क्या है, आप डायरेक्टली एफडी में डाल दो. जो भी बैंक में आपका अकाउंट है, दैट मस्ट बी हैविंग एन ऑप्शन फॉर फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट. इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल. यू मस्ट बी हैविंग एन ऐप. डायरेक्टली ऐप में जो आपको एफडी का ऑप्शंस मिल जाएगा. यू कैन हैव एन एफडी फॉर एज लेस एज 45 days. So if your bank is giving you 4% interest, that FD will give you somewhere around 5. So 1% का बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा. And if you do it with a systematic plan, right, like 500 rupees per month or 1000 rupees a month, over a period of 1 or 2 years, you'll actually see a lot of difference. I can guarantee you this.
जो स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि पैसे से पैसा कैसे कमाया जाए. I mean, I totally understand कि a lot of people save money, पर वो सिर्फ सेव करके रखते हैं बैंक में, वो इससे इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते, not even FD, क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं रहता. And this is something which is not taught in our engineering books as well.
Exactly, अमन. तो तभी मैं बोला इंजीनियरिंग में मुझे भी बहुत सारी चीजों की आइडिया नहीं थी. Luckily, I had my father and few other friends who were into these things. ठीक है? बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स थे जो सिर्फ सेव करते थे इंजीनियरिंग में. और उस सेविंग्स का क्या करोगे? वो पैसा तो उतना ही रहा है. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, पैसे का वैल्यू कम होते जा रहा है. Things are getting more expensive. तो बढ़ाना भी जरूरी है. तो इसलिए if you know, we were once discussing how we can easily grow with minimum risks, not without, but minimum risks. Lot of options are there. So maybe we'll discuss about that.
Right. Saket, you did mention FD, right? पर अगर किसी को higher returns चाहिए, as you yourself mentioned कि FD से 4 to 6% returns मिलते हैं, पर someone who is looking for say 10-15% return, so what would you suggest for those?
So I would like to say a lot as an engineering student, right? 500,000 rupees में you can go towards equity markets also, right? Stock markets की तरफ भी आप जा सकते हो. But 5,000 and 500 and 1,000 आपको कुछ कम लग रहा होगा. So why not start a systematic investment plan, right? Say I'll give you an example. The next generation is always going to consume more than the previous one. Whatever lifestyle your father had, right? आप उससे ज्यादा ही कंज्यूम करें in terms of gadgets, cars, ये वो. आपके पापा ने जो कंज्यूम किए वो आपके दादाजी से भी ज्यादा था. Your granddad may not have seen a aeroplane, right? But now it's pretty frequent. We all use airplane for travel and everything, right? Pretty common. So you can start an investment plan with as less as 500 rupees maybe. और उसमें आप अच्छे से रिसर्च करो कौन से अच्छे म्यूचुअल फंड्स है. ठीक है? आप डायरेक्टली सेंसेक्स ऑफ निफ्टी में या फिर डायरेक्टली इंडेक्सेस में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. क्योंकि अगर आप एवरेज देखोगे, मैं निफ्टी का ही बताता हूँ आपको. निफ्टी का जो है, जो इंडिया के टॉप 50 कंपनीज हैं इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट्स, उसका एक इंडेक्स बनता है निफ्टी. ठीक है? उसका एवरेज रिटर्न्स अगर उस पे आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो उसका एवरेज रिटर्न्स इज समवेयर अराउंड 14 to 16%.
Right.
I'm not saying you'll directly get 14 to 16. Maybe आपको 10 मिले, 11 मिले. That's the risk. So the higher risk you take, right, उतना ही आपको रिटर्न मिलेगा.
Right.
ठीक है? रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो रहता है, तो हायर द रिस्क हायर द रिवॉर्ड, राइट? तो हाँ, कर सकते हो आप उसमें भी. और इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इट टेक्स हार्डली अ फ्यू मिनट्स कि आप जिसमें सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान अपना शुरू कर सकते हो. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स. आई वोंट नेम एनी ऑफ देम राइट नाउ, बट या यू कैन स्टार्ट इट वेरी इजीली. और कोई भी अच्छे म्यूचुअल फंड में थोड़ी सी एनालिसिस करो कि कैसा उसका रिटर्न्स है, एक्सपेंस रेशियो क्या है, फिर उसमें कौन कौन सी कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट किया गया है, और फिर यू गुड टू गो. कम ऑन, 500 rupees a month and you can see wonders. If you do it for 5 years, you'll definitely see a lot of growth.
Right.
Savings account में पड़े पैसे से कुछ नहीं होगा. तो exactly, थोड़ा सा risk लो. And yeah, if everything is in your favor, you will definitely earn a lot of money.
Right. Yeah. Right. So to conclude, अगर किसी को रिस्क नहीं लेना है, एकदम सिंपल सी जिंदगी जीनी, तो एटलीस्ट सेव करो, और सेव करके कम से कम कुछ नहीं तो एफडी करो एटलीस्ट, so that you get a return of 4-6%. और अगर कोई चाहता है हायर रिटर्न्स है and someone who is willing to take risk, then look for other options like markets, mutual funds and all. So guys, if you want us to make a separate video on stock market, because Saket is investing into market from past 2 years, and मैं भी कुछ पिछले 8-9 महीने से markets में invest कर रहा हूँ. So we can have another video on stock market where we talk about the mistakes which we have committed in initially investment के समय stock market में, so that it help you guys. So do drop on the comment section and let us know if you guys want a video on that. So thank you, Saket, for coming today and sharing your thoughts with all the juniors out there.
No problem, man. Thanks for calling me. Yeah, thanks,
So
everyone.
with this, guys, we come to the end of this video. Hit the like button and share the hit the like button. And अगर आपको हमारे videos पसंद आ रहे, and if you do not want to miss any I mean further videos, so keep subscribing the channel. Thank you.